Fraud and Order, Cybercrime Unit. Dun dun. Account Takeover. When you're a small business owner, no 2 days are the same. Some are good, and some aren't. He checked his online banking in the morning. Strange, he thought. He hadn't set up any new devices and did not approve any new transactions. He kept things simple, using one password for all his accounts, which he kept in a notebook by the point-of-sale system. A password that slipped into the wrong hands. Common mistake with big consequences. 1 in 5 people fall victim to account takeover fraud. Enable multi-factor authorization and never share your one-time passcodes. Vary your passwords. Make them complex. Watch what information you share online. Set up alerts for unauthorized transactions, including password changes and other unusual activities. Learn about account takeover fraud and share the facts with your employees. Above all, stay vigilant. Another case closed by the CCU.